Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel, and it is a big day. We are getting a new car for the channel. So, we haven't seen it before, but we are actually saying goodbye to the first factory fiction Mini that we ever built. We'll have to wait and see what we're gonna get. But we are gonna drive down to Tacoma and get a replacement, and I'm really excited about it. I know Angie is really excited about it. So we're gonna see. Yeah, there's the Flex looking absolutely filthy. But yeah, I think today's gonna be fun. A lot of driving to go get the new ride, but yeah, stay tuned, and I'm gonna go get a jacket on and make sure Angie and the kids are all ready to go. So bye Minnie. All right, we'll see you guys in the car. All right, we're in the car. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Hadley, are you ready?
Yep.
Lobo?
We're all ready.
I guess we're all ready. So last time the Mini's pulling out of the driveway. Last drive. There we go. We gotta get snacks. Snacks have been secured.
You have your snack?
Yeah. Energy drinks for mommy and daddy. Here we go. So we're driving on I-5 towards Seattle. And no big deal, just a regular Pacific Northwest day. A giant, huge bald eagle just dove in front of our car to try to get a roadkill carcass and then veered off at the last second. That was freaking crazy. Just another day here in Washington. We're on our way. GPS says we've got about, I don't know, an hour and a half to get to the dealership, and then you guys will get to see what we're gonna build next. Stay tuned. Gotta get some gas.
I was into girls wearing bikinis.
Even if you're in girls wearing bikinis?
No, like even if I liked it, I wouldn't care if my espresso was served by a woman in a bikini.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how you guys feel about it, but this is a bikini coffee stand. So the girls working inside of it apparently serve you coffee in a bikini, which to me isn't appealing.
Winter. Like put some clothes on. I don't know
Yeah,
why.
it's cold here. It's not like crazy, but it's definitely mountains. Let's see if I can zoom in here for you. So we just stopped for gas at this gas station, and while we were getting gas, the guys inside saw my camera, and they spoke very broken English, but they were very interested in why I had a camera. And I said YouTube, and they got very excited. So go YouTube, apparently. So maybe the first fans of Factory Fiction are two middle-aged men that don't speak very good English, but hey, we'll take it. I'm gonna get my one last drive here in the Mini. I'm gonna drive the rest of the way to the dealer because this will be our last one. Last ride. There's my baby. And there's my guy. He's too cool for school, so I'm gonna give the camera to Angie.
Oh. You are driving a GT right now?
A Ford GT? You have no idea? A unknown car that says GT? Am I even getting in the frame that close?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm looking at it right now.
Hey. Sup, girl? If you guys have not had these, they're not paying me, but Zions energy drinks are freaking awesome. They don't taste like super sweet candy if you're into that. We are very much not into that. They're very nice. Very nice! Insert best Borat voice.
There's a Mini logo.
Hey guys, so we made it to the dealership. If we look around here, we are at Northwest Mini in Tacoma, Washington. And there is a lot of minis. So there's a lot of minis here. We are buying a used car. So I don't know if you guys have a guess if we're gonna go ahead and trade the Mini in on another Mini, or if we're gonna get something else, but only time will tell. And we're gonna go ahead and find our salesman Mike here and check it out. This dealership really though, super nice looking. Here we are.
How you guys doing?
Good. What's up, Mike?
Nice to meet you.
I'm Mike.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Hey guys, this is Mike Decker at Northwest Mini, and he's gonna take care of us. We're gonna go try to find our new car here.
Walk around.
Let's go check it out.
Oh, okay. Got you right here.
Oh, there it is. It is another Mini. It is. You got a True Blue Metallic 2012 Countryman S All 4.
They actually unplugged. So
Super excited about this. There it is. Awesome.
What do you think about that, Adley?
the interior on this one's amazing. The real leather interior is super nice.
It is. Ooh, what do you guys think? Good? A glowing review from the kiddos. I know. We have buckets and I have a Ford Flex.
Yeah.
And they do great with it, man. Check it out. What do you think, Ange?
I think it's awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sweet. All right, guys. Angie just took the kids to the bathroom really quick, but this car is way nicer in person than it was online. And honestly, like their selection here is crazy. Look at all their minis, man. And honestly, if you guys know anything about minis or a mini enthusiast, you want to buy a used Mini from a Mini dealer. A lot of people don't maintain them how they need to be, and that's probably one of the only ways you can ensure that it's been completely checked out, everything's done up to date. A Mini dealership isn't gonna let a Mini go without making sure it's good to go on the road. So, man, I'm super impressed. There's a really good selection here, you guys, and they're a bunch of really nice Minis. But yeah, man, the color in the pictures did not do this bad boy justice. So I will wait to kind of tell you guys what my plans are for it, but I do have a preliminary design already done for it. So you're gonna have to wait and see. But super stoked on it, man. Super, super, super stoked. Nope. Nope.
Are you guys good on drinks and stuff?
I think I'm okay.
Alright. Cool. This is Fred, and he's gonna be taking care of you.
Hey, Fred. How's it going?
Doing good. How you doing?
We're doing good.
Sure.
Hey guys, we just got done doing all the finance paperwork, and I'm gonna let you know I bought a lot of cars over the years. This was the best experience I've had. So if you guys need a Mini, please come to Northwest Mini down here in Tacoma and see my guy Fred. There he is. Genuinely nicest finance guy I have ever met. Come see him. It's Mr. Mariner, man. Get it. All right, we're gonna go get in the car and we're gonna get out of here. See you guys later. Hey you guys, so we're in the showroom down here at Northwest Mini. Again, they are not paying me. They're just that good that I want to give you guys a good review. But look at this brand new Countryman John Cooper Works. It is unbelievable. Look at this freaking thing. Oh, and there's Hadley. She likes it. Do you like this car? Yes. All right, look at the interior of this. Oh my goodness. Let me adjust my settings here. Oh, it's getting grainy. It is super nice though. Like super, super nice. Maybe we'll come back and get that at some point. We gotta build this other one first though. Look at that classic. Man, that is so clean. So nice. Awesome, for real, you guys. Great experience at a dealer. We're all having a good time here at Northwest Mini. So I'm telling you guys, if you need a Mini, come on down, man. This is the spot. Look at 50% off on these bad boys. Look at those. Woo! Cooper Works. Look at this, man. Got the new electric Countryman. If you want a Mini, man, I'm telling you,
Come see me.
do it. Do it. All right, maiden voyage. Let's see this thing. All right, guys, like I said, if you need a Mini, come on down to Northwest Mini in Tacoma, Washington. No joke, I'm telling you, they didn't give me anything to say that. It's been the best car buying experience ever. I'm gonna give you guys to Mike. He's gonna give you all the info.
Hey guys, Mike Decker here at Northwest Mini. Come see me or Terry Sumas down here. If you have any questions about your current Minis, you can do that too. Whatever we can do to help, but 253-284-6464. Give us a shout. Have a good one.
There you go. Tell them Mike at Factory Fiction sent you, and they're gonna take care of you right away. All right, we'll see you guys back at home. Bye. Hey guys, we just got back. It's actually pretty late. It's getting close to 8 p.m. I'm gonna go ahead and get the kids to bed. So it's been a super long day, but let's recap. We drove down to Tacoma, got Angie's new Mini. Super excited for what that means for the channel. Gonna totally build that thing, and I already know exactly what I'm gonna do to it. We stopped and got some dinner after that. I didn't film it because who wants to see me eat? But it was super awesome. And then we stopped at the outlet store, saw what we could find there. So just got home. We're gonna sign off here. Thanks for watching. Remember, subscribe, hit that like button. And remember, here at Factory Fiction, we are modified culture. Peace.